Greetings, fellow editors. If you ever needed to move an anchor point precisely to a corner of an image, you faced this problem. You've changed the value, and now you need to compensate it by changing position value. Anchor solves it. Simply click on one of 9 predefined positions. Anchor point will be moved while the clip stays intact. Of course, you can select multiple clips at the same time. Want to account for an alpha channel? Enable alpha mode. Give it some time to make calculations. If a clip is already animated, Anchor will preserve animation. A note for graphic clips. Anchor will change anchor point of vector motion effect for the whole clip, not the shapes inside. If you have Excalibur, you can create user command for Anchor and assign a shortcut to it. That is all. Thank you.